What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be comparing between two popular resume optimization platforms, Jobscan and Resume Worded. So if you are hunting for a job, you won't want to miss this video. Let's get right to it. First up, we have Jobscan. Here, Jobscan is designed to help you tailor your resume to specific job descriptions, ensuring it passes through applicant tracking systems, or ATS, stands for applicant tracking systems. Let's break down its main features. Now it scans your resume and compares it to the job description, highlighting keywords that you might be missing or you want to add or edit. It also provides you with a percentage score showing you how well your resume will match the job description that you provide. And they also recommend specific skills and keywords to include in order to be more compatible for this job. And finally, they offer premium tools, including additional features like LinkedIn optimization and cover letter templates. Now, their main pros including detailed feedback, so that they provide you detailed feedback on how to improve your resume, not only giving you statistics and their opinion on it. And their interface is user-friendly and beginner-friendly, easy to navigate. And they also automate the process of tailoring your resume, which can be a huge time saver. However, there are a few cons here, including, and most noticeable, the cost. So Jobscan's premium features can be pricey, especially for job seekers on a tight budget or if you are a beginner. And also their interface, while it's user-friendly, there's still a bit of learning curve to fully utilize all their features. Now, the other platform we will talk about or will mention is Resume Worded. This platform focuses on helping you improve both your resume and your LinkedIn profile to stand out to recruiters and stay on top of your games. They also give you a resume score, analyzing your resume and providing a score along with suggestions for improvement to better match your job description. They also review your LinkedIn profile and give you tips on how to optimize it for recruiters. They help you craft impactful bullet points to include in your LinkedIn profile or your resume, as well as job application tracker to keep track of your job applications and their statuses. The main pros here of Resume Worded include comprehensive analysis for your resume and LinkedIn profile, actionable suggestions that you can use or implement to better improve and be on top of your game. As for the cost, it's more affordable than Jobscan. However, it's not without cons. The Resume Worded is less focused on ATS. While it does offer some ATS insights, it's not as comprehensive as Jobscan in that area. And the user interface can be a bit cluttered, a bit overwhelming, and not designed for usage, for easy to use and user friendliness, such as Jobscan. Now, which platform should you use here? Each resume, as I stated before, or as I highlighted before, has its own pros and cons. However, depending on which things that you seek in a platform, this will determine the answer. So let me break it down even further as a conclusion to know which platform should you invest in. If your main goal is to pass ATS and you don't mind spending a bit more, Jobscan would be the right choice. However, if you are looking for a more affordable option here with comprehensive resume and LinkedIn analysis, then your first choice should be Resume Worded.